So just quick, I wanted to do a brief overview and reveal of the final result. Just a refresher of just how bad this vehicle was. It was the worst Cobra / Mustang I have ever done, and it took a lot of work to get the paint to look as good as it did. Granted, there are things that cannot be fixed that are more visible and more present in the finish, but overall we removed about, I'd say, 98% of all removable damage and made a massive improvement on the quality of the vehicle. As you see, the rear bumper is failed. We did repaint that. It's coming back in a month or so to be sanded and coated. So as you can see, the Mustang is looking like a completely different car. Total man hours was about 40 between the wash, decon, paint correction, sanding, repainting the bumper, polishing the wheels, stripping and coating the glass, removing the entire interior, fully disinfecting it, treating it with urine stain and smell removers, cleaning the seats, reassembling the interior, and then of course coating the vehicle and doing the final detail aspects of the entire job. So this paint is looking so good. So happy with the way it came out. It was a lot of work. I was so stressed about the delivery time, making sure that I got it back to them as fast as I could and made sure I focused on all of the important detailing aspects of the car. I didn't want to miss like stupid little things. Sometimes when you're doing big jobs, you get lost. As a complimentary thing, I did coat the entire interior. All the plastics, trim, seat leather, everything has been ceramic coated with Underdog Pro. I had a lot of fun doing this vehicle, and I was happy that I was able to turn it around for them so they can enjoy it this season. And this is something that I'm trying to gear myself towards, is the restoration aspect of detailing. It came out great.